Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Android Spyware Detection App. Spyware is a type of software that will let someone access data from a device it is installed in, and the device can be of any kind. There are spywares for all kinds of devices including computers and smartphones. Although, as mentioned above, when your smartphone or tablet gets infected with spyware, all your data is at risk. Furthermore, your phone may not be operational once it has had its way within. Hence, spyware detection apps are very important when it comes to the security of your device and its contents. Next is types of spyware. First one is apps for family monitoring. These are the apps that you can usually find in Google Play Store as official products. Moreover, you can find them in third-party stores as well. They are mostly targeted at parents who want to keep an eye on their children. And these apps do things such as tracking their location or even check data on your phones. Next is consumer spyware. You will come across these apps if you try to download a song online or a PDF for any stuff. That's because they show themselves in the form of annoying pop-ups and recognizable download buttons. You know the time when you saw more than one download button. Next is Trojan apps. Apps in this category are actually found as official apps on Play Store, Google Play Store. But underneath that mask, they are just spyware dedicated to digging up your personal data, hence they may be the most dangerous kind of spyware. Next is how can you tell if your phone is under threat of spyware. First one is not so good battery. Maybe you have noticed that your battery life has been running out a bit faster than usual. Well, the performance of your phone's battery does go down after a while. But if there have been any sudden changes, that might be a sign of spyware. High temperature. Phone getting hot is another common occurrence that might not have any suspicious behind it. That would be the case if the reason was playing too much of PUBG. But if your phone instantly gets hot when you do simple tasks such as checking out your messages or opening WhatsApp, then it is probably in a case of spyware. Next is mobile data finishing up too quickly. When your phone usually takes a bit drop, it means that your phone is going through an update. Although sometimes it can just mean your friend using your Wi-Fi for downloading such huge files. But at the other times, it could be the spyware at work. Next is app loading for a long time. Generally, even a third-tier phone won't take much time to load any app. Although there are times when even all-around good phones struggle with loading some apps. These are usually games that are over 1 GB of memory and have high RAM needs. But if the apps that normally load quickly are suddenly taking a long time for the same thing, then it most probably will be under some sort of threat from spyware. Nonetheless, it can also be indicative that your phone has run its course. Next is some of your in-depth secrets are out. If you have noticed that some of the things that you have never mentioned to anyone are floating around, then you don't have to go far to determine its cause. The information might be some meme you don't show anyone or a slight flirty text you send someone, and it may be just a friend playing a prank on you but using some software. But if the situation is really making you uncomfortable, then the best thing to do is to install on any Android spyware detection app. The best Android spyware detection apps are Spyware Detector, Anti-Spy Privacy Scanner. Second is Anti-Spy Spyware Removal. Third is Privacy Scanner, Anti-Spy Free. Fourth is Malwarebytes Security Virus Cleaner Anti-Malware. Fifth is Anti-Spy and Spyware Scanner. Last but not the least, conclusion, Android Spyware Detection App. Now that you have read this video, Android Spyware Detection App, now you have gone through with this video, you probably have a good idea about Android Spyware Detection App. Moreover, you know where to look if you are dealing with one. I hope you liked this video. If you liked, please like, subscribe, share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.